Hi, welcome back to the Event House channel, your home for all things hospitality. I'm your host, Jill Goldfine. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. I kicked it off with an amazing site visit to the Four Seasons Scottsdale True North Resort. I am so excited to share my walking tour with you. The rooms are recently renovated. The meeting space is spectacular. The layout, everything, the service, it was just top notch. You will be delighted to see everything that this hotel has to offer. Also, I wanted to let you know that right now they are partnered with Mercedes. So, secret tip, ask to borrow a vehicle. They loaned me the G-Wagon to ride around in, and what a treat. The last thing I'm going to say about this resort before we get started and you can enjoy for yourself is take in the sunsets. You will see the colors of the sky in Scottsdale are just different and better and more vibrant than any other location I've seen. And the beautiful thing is they last longer. So you will get to finish your entire drink sitting by the fire pits. So let's get started. I'm sure that you loved this tour. Let me know if you are planning a trip to Scottsdale. If you want any advice, tips, extra information about this resort or others nearby, please let me know. Reach out. I want to hear if you're going to the Four Seasons or if you're going to other hotels in Scottsdale. Leave a note for me in the comments below.